Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. So Aries, in this reading, I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards them, your mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Aries. So Aries, we have Page of Pentacles. Okay, I'm not going to take all these cards. We have Page of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, the Tower. Okay. We have Hanged Man, Strength card, the High Priestess. Okay. Page of Cups and Knight of Wands. So many major arcanas for you, Aries. The Tower, the Hanged Man, Strength card, the High Priestess. Okay. So Aries, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this Hangman card. Okay, we have High Priest, Pisces again with this High Priestess card. Some of you could be dealing with Leo with this Strength card. Okay, we have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Page of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. We have Fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Knight of Wands. And Water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Page of Cups. Okay, so Aries, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards them. This is the mutual energy, and this is going to be the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Aries. Okay, so we have the Tower, Page of Pentacles, and Ten of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, so Aries, your person feels about you that you are somebody who has everything in life in terms of material things, in terms of home, in terms of kids, in terms of pets. I feel that they are seeing you as somebody who is very much blessed in life in terms of all the material things and all the emotional aspects of life. Okay, be it home, be it kids, be it family, be it friends, be it pets. So they see you as somebody who is very much well established in life. Okay, but they also feel about you, Aries, that something has happened with you. Okay, maybe there is some dispute within your family. Now you are just want to you just want to move out from this place. Okay, Aries, so something has ended at this end. Maybe Aries, they feel that you even though you are kind of very blessed in terms of material things and in terms of family, friends, pets. Okay, you have everything in life. Okay, but still they feel, they see you as somebody who has, been through something. Okay, something has ended at your end. Maybe you want to start something new on your own. Okay, maybe you are not someone who relies on your family's wealth. Okay, maybe you want to start something new on your own. Okay, Aries, so that's how your person sees you, that something has ended at your end. Okay, this tower has demolished now. Okay, maybe you are someone who does not want to take a single penny from your family. Okay, you do not want to get into your, maybe if some of you have family business, you do not want to run that. Okay, you just want to make your own way, Aries. That's how your person sees you. And eventually with this Page of Pentacles card, they see you as someone who has started working towards your own money, finances and goals. Okay, you have this much of land. Sky is the limit for you, Aries. That's how your person sees you. They believe in you, that the moment you start working towards your own financial things, or your own money things, or your goals, or your career. Okay, you are going to get everything, whatever you have planned, whatever you have desired. Okay, they feel that God is with you. If you have taken a step towards your own expansion, then definitely universe is going to bless you. Okay, universe is going to help you. Okay, to achieve whatever you have planned in life. Okay, so you have all the land with you. Okay, you can go beyond, I mean, you can go anywhere, okay? Or you, I mean, this place belongs to you, this earth belongs to you, this land, air, all these elements belongs to you. So you can make out anything out of it, okay? So that's your partner's energies towards you. Now let's see what are your energies towards them. Three major arcana cards. Okay, so we have the Hanged Man, the Strength card, and the High Priestess. Aries, you feel that your person is somebody who is very calm and composed person, okay, who is very humble, who is very kind, who is very down to earth person, plus who loves peace, okay. You feel them, Aries, I mean, you see them, Aries, as somebody who is been through a lot in life and who is still in a tough situation in life. Maybe some crises are going on, or maybe they are into some kind of a negative auras, or maybe they are into some kind of a tough situation, but still they have uh, peace within their heart, peace within their mind, okay. They are very humble, okay. This is the reason this line is licking this lady's hand, okay. Line can kill this lady, but it's not doing it, okay. So this person, this is your person, Aries, okay. They have caliber, they have capabilities to turn the table, okay. I mean, they can, make wonders, okay. They have potential to um change the person's perspective towards them. This lion can kill that person, but this lady is very much calm, very peaceful, that this lion is licking her hand, okay. So that's how your person is, okay. That's how you see your person, that they can be very stern, okay. They can be very stable in life if anything comes, okay, in their way. Plus, okay, with these two cards, Aries, you feel that your person has hold this relationship on hold with this Hangman card. Maybe they just want to see what is there for them in life. They just want to introspect their own views, their own thoughts, their own mind, their own heart, that what is there for them in this life. And with this High Priestess card, you feel that something is there which is hiding from them, okay. There is something which you feel that they are hiding from you. It could be anything. It could be their emotions, it could be their fears, it could be their insecurities, anxieties, worries. So they are hiding something from you, Aries. That's how you feel about them. And plus, with this Hangman card, they have, kept this relationship on hold, okay. The mutual energy of this relationship is Page of Cups. I feel that both of you wants to offer something to your person, okay, but I'm not seeing any kind of thing. I feel that more, Aries, I feel that somebody new is about to come in your life, because your person sees you as somebody who is working towards your own goals, okay. And eventually your person is also, have kept this relationship on, has put this relationship on hold with this Hangman card, and plus they are hiding something from you. So I feel a new love proposal is coming into your way. Somebody new is arriving in your life with this Page of Cups, and this person is coming from nowhere, okay. Maybe this person is coming from out of the box. I mean, you are not even thinking about this person. This person is a completely new person, and I feel that this person is coming towards you from a far distance, because they have rivers. So I feel that they have crossed rivers and oceans to meet you and to offer you this Page of Cups. So I'm seeing some kind of a new person is coming into your life, okay. Knight of Wands. It's your person, so it's your new person. Okay, they have traveled miles to meet you, to offer you something with this Page of Cups. And with this Knight of Wands now, earlier they came towards you with this Page of Cups through water medium. Now they are coming towards you with this land medium. Okay, and they have wand in their hand, so they are eagerly wants to offer you something in this relationship. Okay, maybe in future they are going to say that, okay, I have now I have taken, or I have taken some step in this relationship, now I want to take this relationship on a next level. So somebody new is coming in your life, Aries. Okay, so that was the reading for Aries people. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.